Welcome to Huawei's Microwave Top O&M Assistant video class. Hello everyone, I am Yang Xiao Chun from the GTS NTD team. Today I will talk about the procedure for replacing the system control, switching, and timing board in single mode, as well as some important notes. When the board is faulty or needs to be replaced by a board of a later version, follow the instructions in this class to perform an end-to-end E2E replacement. Cut off the power. Individually disconnect the cables. Use a Phillips screwdriver to loosen the captive screws on both sides of the board. Slide the micro switches on the ejector levers on both sides of the board while pulling the ejector levers outwards. Slowly pull the board out of the slot along the guide rails. Place the board in an ESD bag and clearly label the bag. Take the spare board out of the ESD bag. Check that the version and SFP type of the spare board are the same as those of the board to be replaced. Holding the ejector levers on both sides, slowly push the board along the guide rails into the slot. Firmly push the ejector levers on both sides inwards to fit the board into the backplane. Tighten the captive screws on both sides of the board. Refer to the cable connection positions noted previously to restore all the cable connections. Power on the device. This is all for this class. Thanks for your interest. Now after this class, you know how to replace system control boards in single mode. See you next class.